everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rosie Styles. I know it's been a long time since the last time I uploaded a video, a hair tutorial. So I've been really busy with personal life and with this whole pandemic, I've just been trying to keep myself active and took a little break from doing hair. But today, I'm just coming back just to do a hair tutorial on these butterfly locks that I had in for about a month, and I'm getting ready to take them out my hair. But before I do that, I wanted to record a video for you guys on how I achieve these butterfly locks. To refresh this look, I am going to use this brand. It's called X-pressionn Twisted Up 3X Springy Afro Twist 16 inches. I am going to put the details of the hair down in the description box. This is how the hair looks out the packet. The hair is nice and coarse. I found that it is easier to use coarse hair rather than the soft curly hair to do your butterfly locks because it just wraps around the braid so much easier, and it gives you that messy look that people tend to go for when they're getting butterfly locks. Some people like it neater. I like mine to be messy, not too neat. I just want it to look as natural as possible. Okay, and the other items that I'm going to be using is a rat tail comb, some jam. I like to use Shine and Jam, and that's really it. Okay, so let's just right into the video. So to begin, I did go off camera and just refresh some of my braids. And I'm going to use a clip to keep the ones that I'm not wrapping yet out the way. I'm going to use one whole piece of the hair, out the hair completely, make it more puffy. And then I'm going to use my crochet hook, also known as a crochet needle. And once you've reached the length that you like, see, this for me is a little too long, so I'm just gonna unwrap. So once you reach, you can see it. I don't like it to be too perfect. This is exactly how I would want it. And this is the length. I'm going to twist it all the hair together. Put my index finger in between and wrap it around my index finger, going up the same direction that I was wrapping before. You have to wrap towards your face. Okay, so I'm back. As you guys can see, I did go off camera and completed majority of the braids. So you're gonna put your crochet needle in between your braid like this. You're gonna hook your hair on the needle, close the lash hook, pull it through. Now look, I kept one of the piece of the hair on one side while the other one went through. One is going to stay in place with my braid while the other one is going to be used to wrap around. And this is the one I'm going to use to create my lock. So you're going to use your index finger to keep the hair in place, your hair and the weave in place, while your other hand is going to go around. And I wrap it tightly at the base for about 4 times. and then I wrap it loosely all the way down. And you don't have to worry about putting a finger in between this hair to give you the butterfly effect. Because I'm wrapping it around so loosely, it's going to come out messy anyway. And this is curly hair, so. And remember to measure to see how short you want your lock to be, where you want it to fall. And if you ever run out of hair, you can always borrow from the other piece. I'm going back up because this lock would be too long. And the last step is just wrap both pieces of hair tightly together. Keep your index finger in the middle of it and wrap it back up the same direction that you was going when you was wrapping down. All right, guys, so this is the finishing look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. If you ever decide to try this hairstyle, or if you ever did try the hairstyle, comment down in the section comment below. All right, I'm going to give you guys a spin so you can see the entire look. I don't know how the back of my head looks, so please don't judge me because I have not seen the back of my head ever since I did this hairstyle. But nonetheless, I love it, and I hope you do too. Take care, enjoy the rest of the holiday, and stay safe. See you guys.